When scale, rust, and deposits build up on restroom surfaces, maintenance staffs need to rein it all in. CORRAL Foaming Bathroom Cleaner is a uniquely blended, highly active acid formulation with a pleasant lemon fragrance, which cleans and deodorizes in one fast, labor-saving step. The phosphoric acid formula is safer for both users and surfaces. When it's time to reel in and remove calcium, hard water deposits, scale, rust, and other discolorations from toilets, urinals, sinks, tubs, shower stalls, drinking fountains, stainless steel, and other surfaces, reach for CORRAL Foaming Bathroom Cleaner.